Hello guys, welcome to today's class where we'll be looking at a series of topics combined in one, which we call functions, polynomials, and mapping. Now, today we'll be looking at functions alone, and then under functions we'll be looking at how we can actually, the different types of functions that we have, and the one that we'll be looking at now, that we'll be taking as a case study today. So the function that we'll be taking as a case study today is what we know as a polynomial function in that sense. So this is what we call an algebraic function. Now let's look at the type of functions we have first of all. So as we can see here, we have functions, polynomials, and mapping, under which we're taking functions. So the types of functions we have, the first one we have is the algebraic function, which is most times referred to as polynomial. Algebraic function, which is what we'll be looking at. Examples of algebraic function include instances like this. Examples include mathematical statements as such. You can have something like x squared minus 3. I told you they are also known as polynomials. You can have something like this. You can have x squared minus 3, minus 5 rather, plus 7. These are examples of algebraic functions. Another type of function that we have is what we know as logarithmic function. The examples of logarithmic functions that we have include, you have log. When you have log to a particular given base of a value, you can also be given your log in terms of ln. If you are given a particular ln a, it signifies log of that value a to a base e. So ln basically means log to base e. That is the short form of ln. Now, another type of function we also have is what we regard as the exponential function. Exponential function. The exponential function. From the word exponent, meaning power, meaning index. Exponential functions are functions that have to do with the variable being the power. That is, you have something like this, a raised to the power x, where you have a particular value of a and an unknown variable of x. And then, or we can also have another example as e raised to the power x. These are exponential functions. Another type of function that we also have is what we know as trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. From the word trigonometry, we know terms under trigonometry include sine, cos, tan. Sine from the short form of sin, that is sine. We have sine, we have cosine, we have tangents, we have secant, we have cosecant, we have cotangent. So these are the form of functions we have. These are the basic form of functions we have that we usually use for our day-to-day mathematical operations. So today, the function we'll be looking at that we'll be taking as a case study in this topic as a whole, that is in the topic functions, polynomials, and mapping, will be the algebraic functions, which are also the polynomials. So let's take a look at them. Okay guys, so this is where we'll call it a day in this session rather. Now, we have looked at the type of functions we have. We've looked at the logarithmic, the algebraic, the trigonometric, and others. So in this case, we talked about the major one we'll be using here, which is the algebraic function, also known as the polynomials. So that is what this topic is actually centered around. So in the next class, we'll be looking at basic functions. That is how we can actually apply these functions to our everyday mathematics. So see you in the next class.